Okay, so now we're going to be talking about, we're going to be throwing this little knob on top of your lid. This is for the lidded vessel that we have been creating. So I just scratched and scored my little knob right here. We're going to be getting it wet using the water, creating a slip on top of here using my needle tool. And we're also going to scratch and score where we are going to be placing the knob. I'm also going to use my sponge to add a little bit of water there. We don't want to add too much because we're not getting this like soaking wet. So we're going to scratch and score. We don't want to like ruin our nice piece. We just got super smooth. Just enough to attach. Because we're going to be throwing this piece on. So I'm going to press it down. And then here comes the fun, challenging part. We are going to try to center this piece on here. And we can try to not use as much water as we can. And it's gonna wanna slide around because we just attached it. I know I've already put too much clay on here, so I'm gonna kind of pinch some of it off. Use my wire tool because I know I don't need that much. All right. And centering this much clay is a challenge because it's really a tiny amount. So you'd think it would be easy, but it is not. Because we don't want our thing to collapse under us, so using not enough water. Got it pretty centered. Then I'm going to kind of bring some walls out. Obviously it was not super centered. Slow down my wheel a little bit. I'm gonna make sure that there's not a bunch of moisture on my sponge. I'm gonna start kind of cleaning up all the extra moisture that I just created. Make sure I'm cleaning up that access point right there. I don't want it to be messy. Bring this back down. Use my sponge against the rim of that so it's not sharp.